So we are live now.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. A hearty welcome to all of you from R.S. Munle Dharampet Arts and Commerce College, which is organizing BA Compulsory English online series. And with us we have Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Rajkumar Keval Ramani College, and Board of Studies in English. Friends, let me tell you that we inaugurated this BA online compulsory English online course yesterday at the hands of Vice Chancellor Dr. Subhash Chaudhary sir, and we started with our unit 1, lesson 1, The Thief, yesterday, and we got an overwhelming response. We got nearly 2,000 views yesterday. So congratulations to all the viewers, because you are attending, this program has got this success. And now today we have with us Dr. Kapil Singhel, who would be teaching lesson 2 in unit 1, and that is beyond, it is between the mosque and the temple. But before that, let me tell you some 2 or 3 things. Friends, we have made 3 WhatsApp groups. So you can join any one of the WhatsApp groups. There are children who are joining all the WhatsApp groups. Let me tell you, students, that you have to join only one. सारे WhatsApp group same हैं. आपको सिर्फ एक WhatsApp group join करना है. After the lecture, you will get a quiz, objective type questions, which you have to solve. And the link will be open till evening. Actually, you should be solving it just after the lecture, so that if you have any questions, you can directly ask our resource person, Dr. Kapil Singhel. Okay. And after this lecture, we'll be sending you the feedback link also, which you have to open, and so you have to fill the feedback form also. The students who attend classes regularly, every day we will be sending you this quiz and feedback form. The children who are solving this quiz and filling the feedback forms, they will be given the certificate. So please solve the quiz and also the feedback form. If you have any queries regarding the lecture, you can write in the chat box so that we can talk to the resource person, and you can also have an interaction. You can write your questions in the YouTube chat. सारे बच्चों को इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है कि आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन सर को पूछना है, आप YouTube चैट में लिख सकते हैं. चैप्टर से रिलेटेड ही आप क्वेश्चंस इसमें लिखेंगे. आपस की चैट, पर्सनल चैट यहाँ पर नहीं करेंगे. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी more time, we'll move on to our lesson. Let me introduce you to Kapil Singhel. Today we really have with us an expert in English from RTM Nagpur University, a very hardworking, industrious and zealous personality, a true teacher, Dr. Kapil Singhel. Kapil Singhel is head at the Postgraduate Teaching Department of English, Vasantrao Naik Government Institute of Arts and Social Sciences. Friends, he has a rich teaching experience of nearly 24 years, and he has published papers in national and international journals. He has presented papers in conference proceedings. He has been invited for lectures and as chairman at many national and international conferences and seminars. He has edited the book Tree of Knowledge, prescribed for BA Compulsory English, along with other 3 contributors. He has edited the book Literature from Elizabethan Age to Restoration, prescribed for BA Part 1 English Literature, along with other 2 contributors in the UG program implemented from 2020 to 2021 in Nagpur University. He is the member of Syllabus Designing Committee for CBS and CBCS pattern of PG program of Nagpur University. He's the supervisor and three students have been awarded PhD under his supervision, and one has submitted his PhD, two are working under him. So we are indeed fortunate to have Kapil Singhel with us, and he is going to deal with Unit 1, Lesson 2, between the mosque and the temple. So over to Dr. Kapil Singhel.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. First, I'll share my screen and then I'll start.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Am I able to share, ma'am?
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Okay. It's not getting converted into slideshow. Yeah. So at the beginning, good morning, all the students. I would like to congratulate the organizers for coming up with this idea, which is utmost requirement of the kind of situation that we are presently facing. You are unable to attend your classes. New syllabus has been introduced. New program of undergraduation has been introduced in the university. You are the first batch, and to come up with this initiative, this kind of initiative, I must congratulate all the three colleges and the Board of Studies of English. I will be teaching you the second chapter from the first section, that is between the mosque and the temple, by Boman Desai. Now, as the title suggests, the mosque and the temple, something which is related to the religious structures of two different communities, the places of worship, and as mostly it happens that some kind of dispute is there. What dispute is that? The main character Banu, how she will be able to resolve it. That all we would see in the chapter when we go through the chapter. Now, this chapter is an extract which has been taken from a novel, The Memory of Elephants, written by Boman Desai. Boman Desai, the writer, he has written a full-length novel, The Memory of Elephants, and from that chapter, from that novel, this extract has been taken. ये जो आपका चैप्टर है वो एक हिस्सा है जो एक नॉवेल है बोमन देसाई का लिखा हुआ. नॉवेल का टाइटल है द मेमोरी ऑफ एलिफेंट्स, वहां से लिया गया है, एंड इट इज अबाउट हिज ग्रैंडमदर. द हीरोइन ऑफ दिस पार्ट ऑफ द नॉवेल इज हिज ग्रैंडमदर बानू, who is the main character in this section of the novel, and she is the important character of the chapter that we have to study. So that is the one thing that you have to remember, along with some other important points that you should remember are well, the first thing, the main character in the story is Banu, and the more important about Banu is that she is the chairman of the sanitation committee of the town, the committee that looks after the cleanliness matters of a town. Banu इस भाग की, इस चैप्टर की मुख्य चरित्र है, और उससे भी ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण बात है that she is holding the post of the chairman of the sanitation committee of the town. शहर की जो साफ सफाई की जो कमेटी है, देखरेख की जो कमेटी है, बानू उसकी चेयरपर्सन है, and she has been assigned the responsibility to